give it a good bump into it this time, straight, and you should feel something. Yeah.
Right there.
Just roll right into it.
That way. Yeah.
That's good.
Right when you bump, you could come over it to the left maybe. Yeah. Okay, now come this way. Turn into it. Whoa.
I think
your passenger tire's up on it.
Yeah. I think you want just a little bit more forward speed when you hit it. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, keep going. This part sucks. Keep coming straight, yeah, you're good. Go. Yeah, keep going. Push yourself over. Good, straight. You'll keep it. Keep it working. Oh wait, back up a little bit. Sorry. Back up and go driver a little bit as you back up because your tire's wet. Okay. Now passenger and above. Well, you're not gonna fall off on this side. Okay, straighten the driver a little bit. Okay, jump. Come on. Stop. Keep getting the hook right under the block. Go back, go passenger. A little more. Okay, now come and go passenger. That's fine. Just come straight. Yep. Yep. Go straight. Kind of touching the grip over where your rear tire is. Back up just a hair. I feel like I'm working it now. Oh, okay, keep coming. I would go passenger and back a hair, and then come driver when you come up it. Keep going, you're fine. And okay, now stop and come driver. Kind of hard driver. You're on it. You know what? Keep what you got, go back, and then go driver, and that might keep the rear tire onto that rock first. Keep going, keep going. All right, stop. Now go hard passenger. Just for a bit. Oh, there you go, yeah. Now straighten out and come. Right there. Perfect. Coming. Coming. Okay, go passenger. Hold on. Go back a little bit. You need to find that other side first. Sorry, Go driver a little bit, you go back. Come all the way down, yeah. Now go passenger.
Passenger?
Yeah, all the way. I know it feels messed up. Yeah, it does. There's a ledge over there that you'll get to, go to the side.